How to knit one below. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit one below. This is a very smart technique that can be used to knit patterns like the fisherman's rib stitch, but also to knit very fancy increases. Let's show you how to knit one stitch below. To knit one below, you have to find the next stitch on your left needle and then go down one row and insert your knitting needle through the hole coming from the front. Then you wrap the yarn around your needle counterclockwise and pull it through and drop that stitch off the needle. Let's do that one more time. So, find the loop that is one row below, insert coming from the front, wrap around counterclockwise and pull through. Let's do that a couple of more times in slow motion. Those knit stitches in between were not part of the knit one below. Some patterns require you to knit 2, 3 or even 4 stitches below. So instead of going through this loop here, you go through 1, 2, 3, 4. You go through this loop, grab the yarn and pull through. Drop it off your needle. Either technique will unravel the row below, so it will cinch the fabric a bit in this spot and it will also create a little bit of slack. If you want to undo knit one below, simply knit that stitch backwards. And now you will have 2 loops on your needle, and what you have to do is you can simply lift that stitch over and there you go. Let's do that one more time. So you undo, knit backwards, and then you have here a little loop in the back and you just lift that over and that's how you undo it. Of course, you can also do that with a crochet hook. So if things look like this, you can just pick your crochet hook and pull that loop through and slip it back to your knitting needle. Some knitting stitch patterns use knit one below as an increase. So if you want to create a beautiful eyelet like this one here, you would have to do it like this. So you have to knit 4 below, but 1 stitch removed. So I go through this eyelet here, not through this here, but through this, and knit 1 stitch. Then I knit the next stitch as normal. Then I go through the very same hole here, knit 1 stitch, knit 1 stitch, go through the very same hole, knit 1 stitch, and go one last time through the very same stitch. The last one will be a bit trickier, and in that manner you can create an eyelet like this. Of course, you can also do this purlwise. Here's how to purl one below. So, with yarn held in front, enter the stitch 1 row below. Wrap the yarn around your knitting needle counterclockwise, pull through and drop that stitch off the needle. Let's do that one more time. So, enter 1 row below, wrap around counterclockwise, pull through, drop off. Let's do that a couple of more times in slow motion. That stitch in between is of course not part of the purl one below. Anyway, that's how to knit one below. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions and your feedback, and of course don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.